Hello.
Oh,
Hello,
potato.
potato. Okay, potato, are you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to listen. You have to listen to the audio. Okay, if it's true, you put a tick. If it's not true, you put a tick in the false. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, potato, here we go.
A.
Does Mai have a skipping rope?
Yes, she does.
Okay, what's your answer? True or false? Put a tick.
I don't know.
Oh, you listen first, listen.
A.
Does Mai have a skipping rope?
Yes, she does.
Okay, number 1. Does Mai have a skipping rope? Yes, she does. Is it true or false? Put a tick.
I don't know.
Look at the picture. Letter A. Is Mai have a skipping rope? Yes, she does. Okay, true or false?
True.
Okay, you put a tick to the true.
No.
I know. Can you write or not? So big. Why it's so big? Make it a bit smaller. Just put it inside the box.
Ryan. 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 Ryan.
Okay. Oh, you're right. Check. Number 2. Listen, number 2.
No, Ryan. It's so big. Ryan.
Okay, I'll write it. I'll write it.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, next. Number 2. Listen to number 2.
B.
Does Peter have a yo-yo?
No, he doesn't.
Okay, number 2. Does Peter have a yo-yo? No, he doesn't. True or false? Put a tick. Letter B. Does Peter have a yo-yo? No, he doesn't. True or false?
False.
Okay, put a tick on the false. Put a tick.
Yeah.
In letter B, potato not there. In letter B, please. Here, here.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'll wait for you.
Yes. Lola. It's all.
Wait me. I will write for you. I'll write for you. Just here, Here in letter B. Up there. Very good, potato. Okay, potato. Let's go number 3. Letter B. No, not letter B. Letter C. Ready? Ready? Letter C.
B. B.
Okay, you write B. You write your answer first.
Okay.
Come on, you write your answer first before we go to C. Okay, next, letter C, letter C.
C.
Does Nam have a teddy bear?
No, he doesn't.
Okay, letter C. Does Nam have a teddy bear? No, he doesn't. What's the answer? True or false? Look at letter C. Does Nam have a teddy bear? No, he doesn't. True or false?
Oh.
Okay, potato. Let's do letter D. Listen to letter D.
But he has a kite.
D.
Does Linda have a puzzle?
Yes, she does.
Letter D, potato. Does Linda have a puzzle? Yes, she does. What's the answer? Your answer is false. Ready? Does Linda have a puzzle? Yes, she does. True or false? Letter D. Let's check now. Ready to check? Potato, are you ready? Oh, you listen again, potato. You review, okay? Review. Let's review.
A.
Does Mai have a skipping rope?
Yes, she does.
B.
Does Peter have a yo-yo?
No, he doesn't.
C.
Does Nam have a teddy bear?
No, he doesn't. But he has a kite.
D.
Does Linda have a puzzle?
Yes, she does.
Okay, potato, let's check. Number 1, the answer is very good. It's true. Letter B, the answer is correct. It's false. Next, letter C. The correct answer, letter C, is very good again. That's true. And letter D, potato, the correct answer is, oh, it's true, potato. Linda has a puzzle. It means that's true. Okay, potato, just got one mistake. You've got 3 out of 4 correct answers. Now, potato, let's try to read. Oh, let's read, no answer, because it's already time. Let's read. Potato, can you read? I am Paul. Please read. Potato? Hello, where are you? Potato, it's all right. Almost time. Come on, where are you? Okay, potato, come on. Let's just read this because it's almost time. Okay, let's just read it. Come on. Potato, can you unmute your mic? Oh, come on, you read now. I am Fong. Again, follow.
I am Paul.
Peter, Mai, and Nam, and Lin. Yeah, Peter, Mai, Nam, Linda are my friends.
Find my friend.
We have A lot of toys.
A lot of toys.
Peter has a robot and a ball.
The ball. The
Robot.
ball. Robot. Robot.
Mai has a teddy bear and a doll.
My teddy bear. And doll.
Nam has a car and a plane.
Now the car airplane.
Linda has a yo-yo and a puzzle.
The dog has a yo-yo and the puzzle.
I have plane and a ship.
Fly and the chip.
Okay, Potato. What does Peter have? What are the toys of Peter? Peter has a
Robot and phone.
Okay, very good. Peter has a robot and a ball. Next, and how about Mai? What does Mai have? Look at there. Mai has a potato. Mai has a
I can difficult.
oh, it's difficult. Look at here, potato. Mai has a what's this? A teddy bear. Go.
Teddy bear
And a doll.
and the doll.
Next, and how about Nam? What does
don't
Nam have? Nam
I don't
has
know.
a, look at here.
I don't know.
Look at in the picture. Look at there. Nam has a car, again, and a plane.
And a plane.
Oh, next, how about Linda? Linda has a yo-yo and a puzzle.
Puzzle.
And how about Fong? Fong has a plane and a ship. Again, Fong has a plane and a ship. Okay. Oh, I think. All right. So, Potato, we will end our class there because it's already time. You can rest now. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Goodbye, Potato. Good night.
You eat so out. He
Bye-bye.